I'm Randy Kingsbury with Helical Products Company. I'm here today to talk to you about a very common question that comes to us about the method of attachment that will work best for a customer's application. In our catalog, and along with many of our custom couplings, we offer different types of attachment features. And the most common one is what is called the integral clamp. This is an integral clamp here. The other option that we often provide is a set screw attachment. So in this case, it's 2 set screws on either end. They're at 120 degrees. And now I'm going to show you what will help you make the right decision. Very simply, with a clamp attachment, it is held on by friction. So what that means is I have a shaft here. There is a cap screw offset to the side. And when I put the shaft in, I tighten up the cap screw, nice and snug. We provide you the torque rating for the cap screw in the catalog. And then the torque is transmitted again just through friction. It's a very positive method of attachment. And one thing that is nice about the clamp attachment is removing the part is very easy. All I do is loosen the cap screw, and then the shaft easily slides out. Now when I look at a set screw type attachment, again, there's set screws that will come down and bear directly on the shaft. If I use just a round shaft and I slide it in there, tighten the set screws onto the shaft, there's one. And then there is a second set screw tightened. The drawback to using a set screw attachment on a shaft with no flats is when I tighten the set screw into the shaft, it's going to raise a burr. Two things can happen from that. One is when you go to remove the shaft, the burr sometimes will get stuck in the set screw hole. And the other thing is that when you tighten the set screw down, if it's a reversing application or there are a lot of starts and stops, the shaft can actually loosen up. And as soon as the shaft starts to loosen up, it will progressively get worse and worse as far as not holding on and transmitting the torque. Now the key is, if you are looking at using a set screw attachment, the way to do that is to be sure that your shaft has a flat. So you would take your flat and line it up with one of the set screws when you install it, and then run that set screw down onto the flat. And that gives you a much more positive type of attachment. And then you would tighten the second set screw after that. So those are the choices. The real key is, and the most frequent type of attachment that we sell people is the clamp. It's easy, it's very positive, easy to remove also, and does not leave any marks on the shafts. So I hope you've found this video helpful in deciding what is the best method of attachment for your application. And come visit our website, www.heli-cal.com. Thank you.